There it is. Activate. Come on, you could do it.
The Chicago has issued
That
a
was kinda
severe
late.
thunderstorm warning for Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 4:15 p.m. At 3:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Carroll Stream to Willow Rock to near New Lenox, moving east at 35 miles per hour. These storms have a history of producing wind damage and measured wind gusts around 60 to 65 miles per hour across parts of DuPage County. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include West Town, Chicago Lawn, Englewood, Oak Lawn, Marionette Park, Berkeley, Summit, Austin, West Garfield Park, near North Side, North Lake, Stickney, Crestwood, Avalon Park, Niles, Evanston, Grand Boulevard, South Shore, Roseland, Armour Square, Madison, Hickory Hills, Palatine, Country Club Hills, and Park Ridge. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is